Meet the Miles Morales frog. Like Miles Morales can turn invisible in a game, the frog does the same in nature, but without any superpowers. This is the glass frog. You can see this frog's heart beating and it can almost turn invisible. Its skin is so transparent you can see its heart, liver and intestines. Glass frogs live in tropical rainforests in Central and South America, usually high up in the trees above fast-flowing streams. When this frog sleeps, it hides up to 90% of its red blood cells inside its liver. Blood normally blocks light, so by removing it from circulation, the frog becomes almost invisible, which is insane. No other lone land vertebrate can do this. Even more insane, storing that much blood in one place should cause clots, but it doesn't. Researchers are studying this because it could help us understand blood disorders and clot prevention, which will also prevent heart attacks from happening, which would be huge. And don't forget, animals are way cooler than we think.